where we come to unwind.
Yeah, we're gonna try another place, see if we can unwind.
Yeah, I need some unwinding.
Do you guys do breakfast here? Omaha?
Yes, sir. You can just go straight to the
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey Richard, which one are you gonna go for?
Pardon?
Which one are you going for?
Probably that one, rice. Maybe I'll try some of that.
All of it?
All of it, yeah.
Alright.
Just,
Just waiting for Joseph. And our almonds are getting cooked as we wait. So this is pig, this is rice, watermelon, cabbage, mini pizzas, water, sunglasses.
You know they cook omelets for you?
Yeah. There's Joseph, he gotten some fish.
oh wow, Joseph's
He's
gonna
getting
be
his fish fix. Probably good.
cold head of fish.
Kind of close, like, although
Hello.
in my personal
Later
space
he bring
here.
you coffee.
Really? Oh wow.
I told him.
I think I took it upside down.
Reading. Oh man, that feels good. So refreshing. Come on, Richard, you're gonna miss out.
I love brownouts.
You know what's fun to do to coconut trees? You take the ends, right where they split,
Yeah.
and rip them down the center like, except, I don't know if we should because it would be mad, but it's fun to do like,
Oh, that would be fun.
watch out for falling coconut. Quick, Joseph, you're gonna miss it.
Joseph, get the shampoo.
Richard!
Oh, you want to go swimming in the ocean? Watch out
No.
for falling coconut.
What? Coconut just fell.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Scary. Just watch out for them.
Want shampoo?
Yeah.
Shampoo?
Ooh,
Oh wow.
look, it's dripping right now.
That was a pretty heavy one.
That was.
Is that one that you can eat?
Yeah.
Oh, should we get our knife?
Just want to watch out for another one. Look how much of a dent it made in the ground.
That would hurt pretty good.
That coconut just fell. Joseph, another one fell.
Oh, danger. This is good meat.
Yeah,
I got the name to save it. I do have
it
to.
cracked. It was spilling out.
Oh, really? This is not the favorite. The favorite for when you're hungry. Look at the water.
Whoa.
There we go. Hopefully it keeps raining. I don't stop. Whoa. Oh. Bad place.
Man, that feels good.
Oh, nice. Very nice. Different kind of rain, not even cold. It's almost like cold water with warm water mix. Makes it like perfect.
Uh-oh, I think I'm gonna run out.
Last hours, not even a single trip.
No,
Huh?
better get it quick.
Ah,
You're
man.
gonna run out. You're all soaped up. Just a passing shower.
Oh, God.
We'll get soap in your eyes.
Oh, great.
You might have to go to the ocean.
Yeah, that's why it's sticky and sweaty and
Yeah,
rashy.
this will be good. This will be good. A little soap in
Wanna go to the
there.
ocean? Quick dip? Yeah, just for 2 minutes.
We can, but then we'll get all yucky and it's a brown out.
Huh?
We'll get all yucky though, and then it's a brown out.
Yeah, yeah.
Isn't it? Or no?
Oh,
You want to do it anyways?
huh?
You want to do it anyways?
I don't know. What do you think?
Probably.
If we go to the ocean, we just get sticky. You can't
The rain
clean up.
shower ended and then they're all
Yeah.
soaked up.
Too bad, eh?
All soaked up and nowhere to go.
Man, I can't laugh without coughing.
Close, but hey, for emergency, bucket of water, then can.
Joseph's trying to get some lechon manok. He's
305 pesos.
305
$6. Cheaper than Walmart.
for a whole chicken.
Yeah, $6-7. About Walmart price, but much better and fresh and better quality, good flavor, and the nice ingredients that they put on there.
Wow.
That Walmart can never beat 10 times.
Always looking for more food, eh?
Yeah.
Anywhere you go, I think my belly will be right to the ground if I stay here another month. I'm not losing hope for up there. It's like a desert. My head, desert. Pretty, eh?
Who, me?
Yeah, you look really good.
Oh, thanks. Thanks, bruh. We're just riding around the island a little bit, trying to see if we can find a waterfall. Tuasan Falls, I think. We happened upon a nice lookout. Look out! Joseph found some marang, so we're gonna stop, see if they can sell us some maybe. Get our hands nice and sticky.
Remember this one?
Oh wow, got everything.
Oh
here.
yeah, what's that called?
Passion, star, something, passion. What is that? What is it? Oh, star apple?
Star apple.
Very good.
Marang.
Durian. That's marang there. This is marang.
Marang.
They smell and taste delicious.
You throw this out? This is no good.
Look like a bat.
Oh, wow.
Like a battering bat. And go like that. There's a, and then you do, and spit them out. You boil them and then make like potatoes.
Oh, wow.
Boil them, make potatoes.
You just
Wow,
put
back
it in.
home. Good? Very good.
They don't like it very much, huh? He thinks I'm picking a fight with him.
Yeah. It's like, this is my turf, pal.
Let me have it all.
All of it?
Just want to remember, you ever had to cook them for you? You cook them real good, and then when you're done, you take the shell off, take
Pretty
like
good.
potatoes. Right? Remember, John, you boil these?
Not as fresh as some, but still pretty good after not having it for like 18 or 19 years.
They taste like potatoes, eh? Remember, you boil them.
Kind of bucket list, you know? It'd be nice to have some lanzones too.
Oh, yeah.
Want to get some?
I
Remember
don't think
that?
they're in season.
Remember that? Fine.
Once you're done eating it, it's like a club you can hit someone with. Like a bendy club.
Wow.
It's like the English Bobby.
Oh, yeah.
It's like his club. This one's spring loaded though.
Yeah.
You
very
wind
good, very
this
effective.
bad boy up. Here's a local tip.
Back
How
when
do you
you
do it?
start, you squeeze and open.
Oh yeah.
Then you this part. You tuck on it.
This is also called star fruit, which is interesting because it's only
And black seed.
round. How is it, Richard?
Oh, so good.
Buenos.
Spot.
Yeah?
Fresh.
Must be in season then, hey?
I should take a picture of it here.
And this is almost gone, but you eat all this jelly. Just gently, not too deep.
You make it look good.
Wow.
Wow, nothing like the present, eh? What's your first impression?
Good.
Yeah? What do you prefer out of the marang and the star fruit?
Probably the star fruit, yeah.
This one's
Yeah.
good for now because the bottom not as fresh.
Oh.
Can I have a little close up in there? Oh yeah. Delicious.
Kind of a different texture, though.
Yeah, it's slimy.
Yeah.
Like most stuff, most fruits here are like slimy and gooey around a seed. Ah, there you go. There's a marang tree. And there's the marangs.
You know,
Kinda cool.
Maram Donka market, local, original plastic. Is that 30 for one? Or 20? There's a sign, but try one up there too.
You can keep going. Do you remember, Richard?
I guess that one. It says on that Quantum Ball, there's a sign. Yeah.
bunch of snow pokes. Ooh, some rain ahead. There's always rain on top of this mountain. We're at the top nearly of Kamigan Island. There's always that cloud on top of the mountain. It's kind of windy. And then that's the real jungle out there. Looks pretty nice. They have lots of trouble trying to keep the roads from washing out, because when it rains, it rains almost every night or early morning, and it just kind of comes down so hard, and then it's nice and clear sky in the morning usually. It seems to be like a scheduled rain. Folks up here living in a bit of a cloud here at the top of the mountain. It must not be very nice always having the cloud up here. This is the darkness of the jungle. Look at that house way over there. Got a bit of sun on it. Wait, the view, eh?
Yeah.
Look at us tourists. Hey, you guys should put the camera away and enjoy the moment like me.
Oh, okay. Now we are enjoying it.
Oh look, there's White Island way over there.
If it isn't white, it's not right.
Look at these white guys.
We are the ultimate tourists.
You get to go there. So
Ready?
Wow. See that ship leaving? That's another harbor. I'm not sure it's that one, it's two, because White Island over there, right? That could be Benuni. If not, it could be another boat over there. There's two. There's two ports. I forget which one. If it's White Island, that could be Benuni. If not, there's another one up there. Remember there's a little small peninsula?
Yeah. Cancel one. So if they cancel the one at 3 a.m., there's still another flight. Because then there will be a flight next
this
day.
big old earthworm.
It will be like half an hour. Even I came from Leyte or for 7 days to have a flight at 6 in the morning.
After a long ride, look at him. Amuse me.
Bring me the head of cake.
These buffalo wings were really yummy. Got my carbonara here. Yum yum. My tum tum. Look at that. Food's all gone. It was really good actually. Really well cooked. I think the buffalo wings were my favorite. Probably because they weren't too spicy. Well, that was fun. We're all filled up. Time to go get some more mangoes.
I will come here again
Richard paid tonight, so
any day.
I think he said it was like 1,500 pesos. So how much was it?
About $12 per person.
Okay, so about 36 total?
Yeah.
$36 Canadian. Joseph's gonna buy some mangoes here at this outside marketplace. There you go. Getting us a good deal, no doubt. It's a mango tree, isn't it? Yeah, it is.
I want to get one with mangoes on it for eating. Like we had that one, but I want ripe ones.
Yeah.
But I don't know, because she's like all about mangoes. Every time I talk to her on the phone, almost she's like, "Daddy, did you see a mango tree?"
Yeah.
I'm like, yeah.
Saw lots, but
Yeah.
unfortunately they're not really in season right now.
Yeah. How much per kilo?
Did you see here what it is? Oh.
Green, but it's sweet. No, I try it. So that I can tell the customer. So I try to eat good. Very sweet, Nene.
Where do you get them from, Cagayan?
Yeah, from Bukidnon.
Oh, Bukidnon. Malay Bukidnon?
Yeah. Malaysia.
Yeah, really?
Did you get them here last time?
And this
Here?
one
No,
is
over
from
there.
Bukidnon.
It went out.
Oh,
Pineapple
okay.
from Del Monte.
From Del Monte, oh.
This one was cheaper. Over there was 140. But
Oh.
they're out of stock. It is 150, 140, that's 160.
Yummy
More
mango.
than a kilo.
Want
Sir,
the oranges?
it's,
The
sir,
Philippine
more
oranges.
than a kilo,
Oh, yeah.
340. It's okay?
Huh?
More than a kilo, 340
Ah.
only.
2 kilos.
Oh, 2 kilos is 300. Then
300,
I
okay.
get one, another.
300 good.
310.
Huh?
310.
I'll get oranges. I'll get oranges and okay.
Onion?
You get any epic footage in there today?
I was just looking at this one.
Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah,
Think you might sell it on Temu or something?
I was going to. I was
Etsy?
gonna crop that part because if I zoom in all the way, I get that sign that's all lit up.
Oh yeah.
It kind of takes from it a little bit.
You might have to use that Google,
Yeah.
shop, whatever,
I've never used that before.
Photoshop.
There's that worm there. That Joseph.
Oh yeah,
got
he
there.
actually picked it up and he got that yellow gooey stuff on him.
Yeah, I think it's called
Yeah.
worm poo.
Worm. I can't laugh without coughing.
Yeah, I got some pretty good pictures, I think, as far as this phone could go.
Oh nice. Nice panoramic.
Yeah,
Even got the finger pointing like that.
pretty good, yeah. I actually meant to put my finger in there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is that
I was
yours?
Just kidding.
That's Joseph's or?
That's Joseph's, yeah.
Managed to get into all the photos, doesn't he?
He does. And it's great. It's great, makes great footage too. Actually, some of my favorite pictures were from yesterday, actually. When we went up to the mountains, or that waterfall.
Oh
It's
yeah.
kind of a cool picture, isn't it?
Yeah.
Or is it just like, oh, that's just a normal day?
Well, normal day here, but cool for us who live in the white.
Yeah.
That's a nice one. I like that.
That one?
That has adventureness to it because you got the bikes in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this is another one that I thought was kind of neat.
Oh yeah.
Just all the colors.
Yeah. I like it.